Hello again, colleagues. Welcome back to your dashboard. In this video, what we're going to try to do is to set up our appointments. So in setting up your appointments, there are three main things that you want to achieve. One, you want to have the particular appointment type listed in the interface so that patients or other colleagues can see it. Two, you want patients to be able to find your location because the app will give them directions to your location especially if it's somebody who is new, who is actually trying to find the location of your clinic and doesn't know exactly where it is. The app will take them to you, so you have to set up your actual address in the system. And then the next thing is to provide correct times for folks to know when your appointment types are available, what booking options are available, etc. So let us go ahead and do this. So to do that, let us go down to appointment settings, open that area. You will see appointment clinics, appointment types, appointment shifts, and activate appointments. Now the appointment clinics, for our example with Christiana Health Center, that has already been set up. So there you have the address in place. So if somebody locates Christiana Health Center or wants to go to Christiana Health Center and they locate it within the app will give them directions to the center. Then we look at setting up our appointment types. Now in setting up appointment types, you name the appointment type. So let's say that's a particular clinic. We could say it is child health. It's a child health clinic. Forget the cost of it. These things you do not click here. If you say that it is internal, then patients will not be able to see it. This is something we use to create systems for our internal use as providers. If this is an appointment that will require prior approval before patients are able to book it, then we will click this area, and that allows the person who is receiving the appointment to approve the appointment before it is assigned to that particular patient. Using shift start time, that's something that we will explain a little bit more about as we set up our appointments. But in this case, using the shift start time allows you to book blocks of patients. So instead of giving each patient a 15-minute appointment, for example, we could book 10 patients within the period of 8 to 10 in the morning, instead of giving each particular patient a 15-minute interval. And this is going to be important as we get patients used to keeping appointments, because since they're not so used to keeping appointments, people will tend to be late. So you'd prefer to have people coming in blocks, so that you have 10 people within a particular, let's say, 1 hour, 2 hour period, so that whoever comes first, you're able to see that person while the others arrive. Okay. For the multiple booking area, you click that so that you can assign the number of people that you would want in that particular slot. So as we had discussed, let's say we wanted to have 10 people in a particular slot, then we would put 10 there. All right. The area regarding match resources, if we click that, then it means that this particular appointment is not just generally available to all providers as some appointments are, but instead this particular appointment has to be assigned to specific providers. So this is important in ensuring, for example, that dental appointments are only sent or only made available to the dental staff. Child health appointments only made available or booked with the child health staff, etc. So these things are very important and very handy in helping you to set it up. So that is what you do. Then you click save, and you would have your appointment type listed here. So here we have quite a few appointment types that have been created, and these are things that are available for patients to book at the Christiana location. All right.